Element 2, assemble and hold components in place. It has 3 extra performance criteria under that. The first one, 2.1, component parts are identified for location in assembly and knockdown fittings are prepared and located for assembly. So when they're saying for assembly, they're saying in the plan that you have, in the project you have, you're locating whereabouts in the plan or the project that you need those parts, knockdown fittings and that sort of stuff, and you're preparing them for the putting the thing together. So some projects come with the knockdown fittings ready, some don't, and you have to make sure you've got the correct knockdown fittings. Part of this could be applied to things such as kitchen units assembly. They come flat packed and they have a lot of knockdown fittings. You need to make sure you've got the right knockdown fittings and that they're going together correctly so that things can be assembled in the correct order. So that's basically what that's saying. Then 2.2, adhesive is applied where applicable to specification. Not too much glue, not too little glue. The adhesive could just be wood glue, it could be a construction adhesive, it could be mortar for bricks because you've got a brick unit being done. What are the specifications for that mortar? Some of it could need to have some waterproofing mixed in with the adhesive. It might need to be a stronger mix. You've got to make sure that all those are applied where applicable to the specifications on the plans. 2.3, components are located and held in their assembled positions to design specifications. So you've got all your components, you're putting them in place and you're assembling them and holding them where they're supposed to be. Some of those things, when you talk about components, it might be roof trusses. They come delivered, already assembled. You make sure you've got every component that you need for the roof unit that you're putting up. They're being put up in the correct position and being held in the correct position, whether that's by gang nails or plates that attach them to the wall frame or bolts, depending on whereabouts in the state you are. Screws can be nailed together, doesn't need to have extra bracing. So that's what that one means.